Okay, it started. There you go. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now you could do heel toe instead of wiggling your hip. Try it again.
Hey, you stop right there.
Why?
Why?
Here, Kristen, take video. I have to go get my phone. Take video. It's taking video.
Chisel mitts?